Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are exploring a fascinating topic that explains some of the incredible diversity we observe in the world around us: codominance and incomplete dominance. These are two concepts that can seem a little complicated, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to spot them everywhere. Let's start with codominance. The word itself gives us a big clue. Co means together. Codominance is a natural phenomenon where two different characteristics, or alleles, for a single trait are both fully expressed in an offspring. Think of it like this: neither gene is stronger than the other. They're a power duo, a team where both partners get to show off their skills. This means that the visible character of the offspring will have both traits present at the same time. This is a complex phenomenon, and that's why it's called codominance. It's all about them coexisting and co-expressing. A perfect example we see in nature is in animals like cows or dogs. When a black cow and a white cow have a calf, you might see a roan-colored calf with patches of both black and white fur. It's not a new color, it's a mix of the two original colors. However, the most famous example is the ABO blood group. Your blood type is a classic case of codominance. If you have blood type A or B, it means you have inherited both the A allele from one parent and the B allele from the other. Your body expresses the proteins for both blood types. They are both equally dominant and expressed together. The law of codominance proves that there's a unique relationship between these two genes, where they both express and exhibit their properties simultaneously. Now, let's talk about its close relative, incomplete dominance. This is a super interesting phenomenon where the traits of the parental generation are expressed together, but instead of being side by side, they blend to form a brand new, hybrid trait. Imagine you're painting. If you mix red paint and white paint, what do you get? Pink paint. Incomplete dominance is just like that. Neither trait completely overpowers the other, so they both incompletely express themselves, resulting in an intermediate or new trait. Let's use our flower example to really understand the difference. If a red-flowered plant and a white-flowered plant were to reproduce, and it was a case of codominance, the resulting flower would have both red and white parts, maybe stripes or patches. But if it were incomplete dominance, the result would be a completely new color, like a pink flower. The genes for red and white colors incompletely expressed themselves to give birth to a new pink color. So, the key takeaway is simple: codominance is about both traits being expressed simultaneously, as in black and white cow separately, while incomplete dominance is about them blending to create something new in a pink flower. We hope this video helped you understand this fascinating part of genetics. Now you can see these complex phenomena everywhere, from the colors of a pet to the blood flowing through your veins. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next one. We'll see you next time.